So give you guys a tour of our showroom where we have most of our finishing material selection. So this section here, we have all the door samples. So these are the cabinet doors, Decotech. We got some engineer hardwood floors here, some cabinet hardware, LED mirrors. We've got some natural stone for exterior finishes. We've got some faucets here as well. Got some freestanding tub over there, some more hardware, the cabinet handles, and then we have, these are for the shower drains. We've got some bar drains, we have some square drain, there's a 6x6. Got some more cabinet samples on the wall here, some trim work baseboards. We have some wall panels finishing as well. Some tile samples on the wall. So we typically do our design meeting here, consultation for the design. We have a screen where we can show some of the finishes. We have some more hardwares on that side as well. So these are the shower fixtures for the showers and also for the vanity faucet. We have some kitchen faucets here as well. Got some sample sinks, some shower, rain shower. We also have, these are Ruby product on this wall here. We also have some of these, what is it called, LED lighting and whatnot for the shower. We've got some vanity samples, mirrors, more shower and faucets on that wall. Some engineer hardwood floor. We've got some quartz countertop there. Just a display kitchen that we have here to give you an idea of, you know, the material, the countertop, the cabinets. And then we got the eco-weight toilet there as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So whenever we do finishes for our project, we come here with our clients, do all the selection for all the material. We pretty much have everything here, and the things we don't have, we can consult and get it here.